Sure guys, we'll come back to speaker now. I'm still Boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna nje comment about indlela amapiano aphelwe hype ngawo this year. So I think ishayile for amapiano because every year bebeza nama hit singing. Ngiyakhumbula nje last year bebenengoma efana no Yebo Lapho, Kafelo Lathi, bekukhona uBiri Marung, but this year Thule. So nje I think this year the only hit song aphumile ila kulama album ade phume la kuma Porisa abantwana bakho. It is one of the biggest song amapiano this year. Then uKabza ikhona le ngoma kayenze nodlala Thukzin inyozama, even though lo ngoma is not fully piano because inodlala Thukzin and most wayilalela kahle in the production e3 step, but ke leyo ke debate for another day. But nje I think amapiano since 2019 because adiloke enyuka kanje, I think from now on I know ashona phansi le season nje masikhuluma amaqiniso nje hayi singawavuma ngempela amabhinqa. uMaskandi udominate this even right now November, like there is no house song ukuthi mhlawumbe ungayidlali album like house ama album amaningi aphumile awaMaskandi nowena mnandi like ayikho i-album amapiano ephume right now enalezi ngoma lezi zinetempo ithanda ukuba high like njengoBiri Marung. So nje I think amapiano ishayile mhlawumbe i3 step ngempela next day izodominate because already say dominate but amapiano abesenayo fight, but I think they are losing the fight. So this is set December. Akasekhona nozama ayikho album isaphumile nje ishisayo ye-house beside le kaJezzwick. Ibona abantu abakhiphile ama-album bazama, ukhona uSifatho bayazama laba amapiano but ingoma zabo la ezi-too soulful for i-festive. So ayikho nje umuntu leyo ngoma low hype. I think last year bebenazi ingoma lapho kuScott Maphuma bebeno Limekri bathe kwaphamisa amapiano last year. So I think nje this year bafethu hayi no hayi ngiyamapiano they are not making sure. So I'm not sure azosurvive unyakoza ngoba this year ngathi shayile. But ke sekhona on Twitter @speaker now, sikhona ku Facebook Speaker Nawe. You can also check us out ku TikTok Speaker Nawe. We out.